This is our lime trees. Have a lot of fruit, and we are cutting some to send to our cousin in Texas. A lot of fruit. All you see just fruit, not much leaf. This tree is about maybe 15 years old. It's taller than the roof of the house. So tall and so many fruit. I'm going to cut all the branches on the top as much as I can to send to our cousin in Texas. This is what I have been cutting already, so I need to cut more. Every year we always pick this and donate to the temple of my family choice. A little bit windy, so blow all the smog away. We have some fire in the mountain behind these trees, but I think the wind kind of blow from the ocean to the mountain, so don't smell any smoke. So many food, you guys. If you want it, message me, I can send to you. All you do just pay for the priority mail. I think $19 or $15 for the small, 19 for the medium, and something for large. I mean this fruit. See this branch on this side? Oh, it's so pretty. It's going to get bigger too. And then when it drop, I rag every week, bucket, and throw away. So you can see some of this branch is so much fruit, it's bent already. This branch kind of bent out already. Somehow the top have some kind of disease. The leaf are not. It's some kind of bug like this. We don't know what bug actually ate up the leaf. So some branch have a lot of those. But well, we had to cut and trim and send to our cousin in Texas. But I want to show you guys that we have lime tree, have a lot of fruit, and I will continue to cut this tree to maybe the height of the house, so we can. It will grow the baby leaf, and that will, so we can pick and taste better too.